Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Robinhood to Phantom. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to send money from Robinhood to Phantom, here's a simple guide on how to do that. First thing to do, you have to ensure that your Robinhood account has the crypto transfer features enabled, and this required your identity verification. So to do this, you have to complete the necessary identity verification process, and also you have to set up your two-factor authentication, which is your 2FA. So make sure that is activate on your account. And also here's the key important note that enabling crypto transfer may take some time for Robinhood to review and approve your verification. Then once that is obtained, then you have to open your Phantom wallet application. Ensure that your wallet is set to the correct network corresponding to the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. For example, Solana for XOL, while the Ethereum is for HEAT, then Polygon is for Matic. So make sure you have a good corresponding network. Then after that, you have to click on the receive button to display your unique wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. And here's another important note: ensure that the cryptocurrency selected match the one you plan to send from Robinhood to avoid potential loss of your fund. And once that is set, you have to initiate the transfer from Robinhood. So open the Robinhood app and log into your account using your account credentials, and tap on the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Solana, Ethereum, or Matic. Then after that, tap on send and enter the amount you wish to send. Then paste the Phantom wallet address to obtain you obtained earlier. Then review all transaction details carefully and confirm and submit the transfer. And that's how to send money from Robinhood to Phantom. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.